A very happy morning to all my dear children. Welcome back to your computer class. I hope you have completed the notes of your previous chapter and you have understood very well that chapter. If you are having any doubts in that chapter, you can call me during the school hours. Okay, dear children. Today we are moving forward to your fourth chapter, that is Layout in Word 2016. Okay, come on, let's see. Now, in that chapter, the first topic is page formatting. Now, what is page formatting? Means making changes to the default settings of the for the pages in a document is called page formatting. जो हमारी already default settings है हमारे word document में, okay, we to change that is known as page formatting. Making changes to the default settings जो already settings की हुई है हमारे word document में, and to make changes in that settings, that setting is known as page formatting. Okay, in that the first one is applying margins. Now what are margins? The amount of white space between the text and the edge of the page is called the margin. जैसे ही आपके notebooks में starting में margin होता है in which you write the question numbers and the answer 1 2 3 like that, in the same way in the word document there are margins, the white space between the text and the edge of the page. Okay, Word document has four margins. Your notebook has one, the like on the left side and on the top of the side. Your notebook is having two margins. But in Word document there are four margins, that is top, bottom, left and right. Four margins are there: top, bottom, left and right. The default settings for all the four margins in Word 2016 is 1 inch. Default setting means jitni margin up tak like for like default is there, the default margin which is being set is 1 inch in Word 2016. This means the text will begin 1 inch away from all the four edges. क्या मतलब है उसका? 1 इंच दूर से हमारा टेक्स्ट स्टार्ट होगा. जो हमारा वर्ड डॉक्यूमेंट है उसका 1 इंच की दूरी से हमारा टेक्स्ट स्टार्ट होगा. क्लियर? व्हाट आर द मार्जिन्स? ओके, नेक्स्ट, setting margin using rulers. Now how you can set margins using rulers, and the other way also I will show you in the practical. First see the theory part. You can also set the margin using the ruler bars. To display both the horizontal and vertical ruler bars, click the view tab in the show group, select ruler. Okay, see in the view group just click on select on ruler, and then you can also set the margin like this also. This is the one way. I will show you the other way also. Okay, next, see, these are the four margins: left margin, right margin, top margin, vertical ruler and bottom margin. This area is known as vertical ruler. This is known as top margin, this is known as bottom margin, left margin and right margin. Clear to you? This is a Word document and these all are our four margins. See, these left, right, top and bottom are the four margins, and this is a vertical ruler. Okay, don't get confused, dear children. I will show you in the practical. Okay, first we will go move on to our practical. See, this is your Word document. Now, in the layout tab, here the options are given to us. That are the margins. Okay, set the margin size for the entire document or current section. We want to set the margin size. We will just click on it. Okay, then we can select the margin. See here the sizes are given to us in centimeters. Okay, top, left, bottom and right. We can select the normal, the narrow. See, you can see the difference between the margins. Okay, I am applying different margins. You can see the difference in the Word document. Wide, C. Okay, then Microsoft Office 2003 default, C. I will just choose a normal margin. Now, dear children, you can also custom the margins. You can set a size for that, and you can also custom the margins. Okay, dear children, is it clear to you? Okay, I will just select it. Okay, then moving on to your practical. See, there is one more thing. in the view option, see here is the ruler given to you. Okay, in the view tab, ruler, I will just select it. Then I can select the margin from here. I will just bring my cursor here. Okay, I will just bring my cursor here and then I can select the margins like this. See, I can increase and decrease the margins. Okay, I can set the top margin also and the left margin also. Understood? Okay, how to set a margin? Clear? Moving on to the next. What's there? Changing the orientation of page. Now, orientation refers to a direction along the length or along the width in the page in which the page is printed. Along the length or along the width in which the page is printed. क्या है? Direction है हमारे text का कैसे वो हमारा page print होगा. If the document is printed along the breadth of the paper, the page orientation is said to be portrait. It's अगर वो breadth according to the breadth of the paper हो रहा है, the orientation is said to be portrait. If the document is printed along the length of the paper, the orientation is said to be landscape. See here, ma'am has just made a small mistake. Is will come, IDS will not come. Okay, I will just correct it. See here, you can also correct your mistakes. If the document is printed along the length of the paper, the page orientation is said to be landscape. It is said to be landscape. अगर length में है, तो it is said to be landscape. The default page orientation in Word 2016 is portrait. You have to remember this. क्या है default page orientation? That is portrait. That is portrait. Okay. I will show you this as well. Okay, let's see in the practical. This is your Word document. Okay, you will again go on the layout tab. See here the orientation option is given to you. We will click on this dialog box. You will select portrait or this is the portrait one. This will select landscape. See, you can see the difference. That the previous document was in the portrait form only. That was the default page orientation. Okay, that was the default page orientation. This is the landscape. See, I will again show you the difference. That is the portrait and this is the landscape orientation of the page. Clear? Okay. Moving on to the next. That is your setting paper size. Now you can set the paper size also. Word 2016 allows you to set the paper size according to the size of the paper on which you will print the document. Now children, there are different sizes of the paper available to us. Okay, हम लोग उन पे print करवा सकते हैं हमारा Word document. Now अगर हम लोग different papers use कर रहे हैं for printing our Word document, we have to select the paper size also in the Word document. Okay, ऐसे नहीं कि हम लोग A4 साइज का प्रिंट निकलवाने की ट्राई कर रहे हैं और हम लोग वर्ड डॉक्यूमेंट में लीगल सिलेक्ट कर रहे हैं. वी कांट डू दैट. ओके, we have to select the A4 size paper in the Word document also. I will show you this in. Okay, inserting a page break. Now what is inserting a page break? A page break indicates the end of the current page and the beginning of the new one. By inserting a page break, you can make a section of the text begin from the next page. जैसे ही आपकी नोटबुक में आपका first page finish हो जाता है, so you begin your text, you begin your writing, your chapter from the next page. In the same with in the Word document also we can do that. Okay, dear children, I will show you this as well. Okay. Again, we will move on to the Word document. Okay. See here in the layout tab only, the different sizes are available to us. Letter, A4, legal, A3 and GIS B4 and GIS B5. These are the different sizes of the paper. Okay, the default selected is A4 paper size. If you want to print your Word document in the letter, okay, in the letter paper size, you will just select the size. Okay, and if you want it A4, if you want it in legal, you will just select this. Okay, जिस पेपर पे आपको प्रिंट आउट चाहिए A4 है, लीगल है या लेटर है, आप वही साइज यहाँ से अपने वर्ड डॉक्यूमेंट से सिलेक्ट करोगे. इफ इट्स A3, you will select it like this only. Okay, dear children, understood the difference? Now, dear children, you can also increase or decrease the paper size with the help of this. See, here also, where I went, I will again show you. In the margin option, that is the custom margin. In the paper, you can increase, that is a A4. If I want A4, legal, A3 or any other paper size, I will select it. You can write the width, you can write the height, okay? And then you will just apply it to the whole document and then you will just click on OK. Clear to you? Okay. How to change the paper size? Okay. Clear all the topics for today. Shall I move forward? Oh, one topic is remaining, that is inserting a page break. Now, how you will insert a page break? See, I will just move my cursor. First, I will just select this A4 size. Okay, it's already been selected. I will just take the normal one, margins. Okay. Now, dear children, how we will insert the page break if I want this text to be appear from the next word document. ये वाली line से मुझे चाहिए कि ये जो document यहाँ से जो मेरा text है वो next page से आए. So I will just keep my cursor here. I will click on breaks. I will click on page break. See, you can see this was my first document, page 1, and this is my second one. It is the seventh largest country by area. This is my second one and this is my first one. Understood, dear children? Clear to you? Okay. Moving on to the last slide of today. That is answer time. What is the default page orientation in Word 2016? Now only I have taught you. Just tell me fast. Yes, very good. Portrait. Now there is a lab time for you as well. Type a paragraph on myself in Word 2016. That is, you will type on in Word document, you will write the heading myself and you will type what is your name, in which school do you study, in which standard do you study, what is your mother's name, what is your father's name, and what are your hobbies. These 6 sentences you will write it, you will try it at your homes and you will do it in the Word document. Okay, dear children, if you are having any doubts during this doing this practical portion, you can call me during the school hours. We will meet in this chapter. We will meet in the next video lesson. Okay, till then, bye bye and God bless you all, my dear children.